Hi, I'm Jack Canfield. Today I want to teach you a simple 3-minute meditation that will help you quiet your mind and become more centered and present in the moment, no matter what is happening in the world around you. Before we start the meditation, if you want to see more content like this, remember to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications when I release new videos. Now, before we start the actual meditation, I want to take a moment to talk to you about why meditation is such a powerful and important success tool. Because it seems a lot of people are wary about meditation. They're either skeptical of the benefits or they worry that it might go against their own personal religious beliefs. But meditation, while it can be used with a spiritual intent, is simply a matter of learning how to quiet the constant monkey chatter in your mind and allow you to consciously think better thoughts. My friend Dina Proctor encourages people to try what she calls 3x3 meditation, which is doing 3 minutes of meditation 3 times a day. Most people, when they start to meditate, have difficulty sitting for longer than 3 minutes at a time. So when you begin meditation, it can be hard to just meditate. But a 3x3 meditation is simply breathing and being with whatever your thoughts that you're having for 3 minutes at a time, 3 times a day. And the best thing about this is that often you'll find that once you start, you'll want to meditate for longer and longer, until eventually, without you even knowing it, you might find yourself meditating for 20 or 30 minutes at a time. But start with 3 minutes. Now, to start this simple meditation practice, be sure to set some reminders for yourself. Now, the early morning and evening meditation may be easy to schedule, but that midday 3 minutes can really make a world of difference in your life. If your office setting is not conducive to meditation, find a small room or even go and sit in your car for those 3 minutes in the middle of the day. Focusing on your breathing is a great way to start. Simply become aware of the sensation of the air going in and out. You can feel the rise and fall of your chest and stomach. You can focus on the coolness of the air as it comes in through your nostrils and the warmth of the air as it goes out. In fact, go ahead right now and close your eyes and just notice the difference between the sensation of the air coming in through your nose and then again out through your nose. Just focus on that for a few breaths. Or you can focus on the sensation of the rise and fall of your chest and stomach as you breathe in and out. If you focus on that for a minute, it's incredibly relaxing, calming, and begins to quiet your mind so that deeper insights can begin to emerge, and it will begin to condition your mind for deeper, longer, and more impactful work later on. Once most people start meditating, they begin to feel happier and they begin to feel more relaxed. And this feeling encourages people to want to try longer periods of meditation. So when you start with 3 minutes a day, you could easily move on to 5 and even 10-minute periods of meditation. And as your momentum builds and you feel more confident, you'll find yourself looking forward to your daily meditation breaks. And here's the good news. You don't have to invest a lot of time and energy into it to experience real results. So to begin, let's actually practice a quick meditation right now. So in addition to the meditation in this video, I'd like to give you my 4-step meditation guide. So just click on the link on the screen to get that. All right, are you ready? Here we go. First off, I encourage you to get comfortable. Sit back in your chair if you're in a chair. You want your hands resting lightly on your thighs or with one hand resting lightly on the other. Or if you prefer, you can lie on the floor with your arms at your sides. So go ahead and close your eyes and take a moment just to tune into your breathing. Just breathe in and breathe out slowly and steadily. Just keep your thoughts focused on your breathing. Whenever you find your thoughts wandering, gently release them and simply redirect your attention back to your breath. Just keep on returning your attention to your breath. And when you notice you're thinking a thought, just allow it to be there, but gently return your attention back to your breathing. And now with your eyes still closed, just allow yourself to slowly become aware of the physical sensations you feel in your body. Just scan your body from head to toe, becoming mindful of what you're experiencing in your body, other than just your breathing. And now, slowly become aware of your surroundings again by first noticing the sounds in the room around you or in the world outside you. And then begin to feel your hands in your lap or on your thighs, or if you're lying down on the floor beside you. And now take a moment to give yourself gratitude for taking this time to do something gentle and nourishing for yourself. Just experiencing gratitude for taking this time to nurture yourself. And now go ahead and open your eyes and look around the room. If you want, you can stretch your arms and legs. All right, so how did that go for you? You feel just a little more calm and centered than you did before the meditation? Now that was only about 1.5 to 2 minutes. So if you do that for 3 minutes, it'll even be more profound. So here's the deal. If you make the commitment to practice this same meditation every day for 30 days, even for just 3 minutes, 3 times a day, I promise you'll notice a difference in your mindset and how you show up in the world. And then you might want to move on to doing 5, 10, or even 20-minute meditations for even deeper and more transformational results. When you're doing a 3-minute meditation, just set your iPhone, your smartphone, a little timer to let you know when 3 minutes has gone by. And you'll find it comes a lot faster than you think. Now I'd love to hear from you about this. What are your thoughts after doing this meditation? How did it make you feel? Have you ever meditated regularly before? Or are you meditating regularly now? And if so, what results are you getting from that? Please leave a comment below. I'd like to read your answer, and your answers will also help other people that read the comments. So thank you for watching. And remember, nothing in your life will change for the better until you do. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like it, share it with a friend who may need it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And for some additional resources on quick meditations, be sure to visit my website at JackCanfield.com. Thanks again for watching.